Is your Windows PC running slower than usual? Taking forever to load programs? Feeling sluggish? The problem is probably cache and junk files clogging up your system. Over time, Windows accumulates thousands of temporary files, cache, leftover installation files, and other junk that slows down your PC and wastes valuable storage space. Today, I'm going to show you the complete, safe method to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. No third-party software needed, just built-in Windows tools. And the best part? This takes less than 10 minutes and is 100% safe. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows optimization tips. Let's clean your PC. First, we'll clear the prefetch folder. This contains data Windows uses to speed up program launches, but old prefetch files actually slow things down. Press Windows key plus R together on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box. Type prefetch. Press Enter or click OK. Windows will ask, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes?" Click Continue or Yes. The prefetch folder opens, showing many files with .pf extensions. Click on any file in the folder. Press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. This selects all files in the folder. Now press Shift plus Delete together. Why Shift plus Delete? This permanently deletes the files, bypassing the recycle bin, which saves space immediately. If a warning appears, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete these items?" Click Yes. Windows deletes all prefetch cache files. This usually removes 100 to 500 megabytes of old data. Done. Prefetch folder is clean. Next, we'll clear the System Temp folder. This is where Windows and installed programs store temporary files that often get left behind. Many of these files are never deleted automatically and just accumulate. Press Windows key plus R again. Type Temp. Press Enter. The C/Windows/Temp folder opens. You'll see various files and folders. Click on any file. Press Ctrl A to select all. Press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete. Click Yes to confirm. Now we'll clean the User Temp folder, a different location where applications store temporary data for your user account. Press Windows key plus R. Type %temp. Important, include the % signs before and after temp. Press Enter. The User Temp folder opens. Click on any file. Press Ctrl plus A. Press Shift plus Delete. Click Yes. You might see the action can't be completed because the file is open in another program. This is normal. Some files are actively being used by Windows or running programs. When you see this error, check Do this for all current items. Click Skip. Windows will skip those files and delete everything else. Don't worry, the files that can't be deleted are currently in use and safe to leave. Finally, we'll use Windows' built-in Disk Cleanup tool to remove additional junk that the previous steps didn't catch. Press Windows key plus R. Type Clean MG. Press Enter. The Disk Cleanup Drive Selection window appears. By default, C drive is selected. This is where Windows is installed. Important, click Clean Up System Files. Disk Cleanup analyzes your disk. This takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Wait for the main Disk Cleanup window to appear. You'll see a list of file categories with checkboxes. Check all of these boxes. Click OK. Windows asks, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files?" Click Delete Files. Disk Cleanup runs. This takes 2 to 10 minutes depending on how much data needs to be deleted. Do not interrupt this process. Let it complete fully. When done, the window closes automatically. While Disk Cleanup should have emptied your recycle bin, let's verify it's truly empty. Right-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop. Select Empty Recycle Bin. If it asks for confirmation, click Yes. Why this matters? The recycle bin can hold gigabytes of deleted files that still take up space until permanently removed. And there you have it, the complete, safe method to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this tutorial helped speed up your PC, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else whose computer is running slow. Subscribe to the channel for more Windows optimization tips, performance tweaks, and tutorials. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos.